Tamil, and we're starting a new series of English programs about how to say things in English in different ways, formal ways and informal ways. The first in our series, that starts today, is how to say hello in different ways in English and in different ways around the world. First, we're going to start with different ways to say English in different English-speaking countries. Hello, I'm from England.
Hi, I'm from the USA.
G'day, I'm from Australia. Did you enjoy that? That was good, wasn't it? Now, let's have a look at how people say hello in different countries in the world.
Bonjour, I'm from France.
Buongiorno, I'm from Italy.
Hola, I'm from Spain.
Guten Tag,
I'm from Germany.
Bon dia,
I'm from Brazil.
Namaste,
I'm from India.
Sawadee krap,
I'm from Thailand.
Ni hao,
I'm from China.
Sabai di,
I'm from Laos.
Konnichiwa,
I'm from Japan.
Don't forget to follow us on Coaching English Facebook page, like our videos, and message us with any information you would like. And we also have online English courses.